One of the issues that I struggled with for a long time in Excel is the following. Basically, you create a data model, you import your files. In this case, for example, I use Power Query to import them and create connections from other files, and I'm happy with it. But I want to use this model in another Excel file. So how to copy this model? This is what I'm going to show you next. So we just close this window, and here we have our Excel sheet. What I'm going to do to copy it is very simple. I'm just going to do insert pivot table from data model in existing worksheet, and then I will get my three tables. What I have to do is from each table I need to select at least one element. So for example, from abbreviation, I'm going to take this, put it in the row. From calendar, for example, I'm going to take the date and put it as a filter. And from the sales table, I'm going to take the sales and put it as value. You can do whatever you like as long as you select one from each. Then you can select your table, you do Control C, then you open a new Excel sheet with Control N, and then you paste this table in the new Excel sheet with Control V. Before I do this, let me just show you that if you open the data model of the second Excel sheet, you will see that you have nothing. So it's all blank. So now I'm going to just paste it with Control V. I go back to my data model. I go to my diagram view and I see my tables with the relationship with everything there. And I can see my pivot table. I can also see my Power Query connection if needs be. And then once I have this, I can do anything I want. I can play with this pivot table. I can delete it. The data will stay in my new Excel sheet. Was this tip useful? Please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video to encourage me to make more content like this one.